You know what? I have a secret. I am building a vast empire.
An empire big enough to last 5 generations.
And I know even you are building it.
An empire of plastic bottles. Every minute, more than 1 million plastic bottles are being bought and thrown. Worse is that it consumes 6 liters of water to make 1 liter of bottle. Firms are waking up to this plastic bottle empire. They are trying green fiber bottle, drinks dispenser machines. Some are targeting to use recycled plastic and recycle their reused bottles. All these actions will take time to come to your neighborhood. So should you keep waiting or start taking action right from this moment?
Good news is that you can take action right from this moment.
Number 1. Drink water from water fountains and carry refill bottle with you. Number 2. Buy fresh juice from local shopping glass or make juice from fresh fruits at home. This is not only good for planet but for your health too. Number 3. Look out for beverage dispenser. You can pour drink in your refill cup or bottle. If at all you need to buy, then look out. Paper, cardboard, glass or metal packaging
These small actions will go a long way.
in reducing plastic from this beautiful land. Build empire of beautiful land.
Not plastic.